Struggling to create a sticky header in the Astra theme? The Sticky Anything offers a super easy solution for you. Easy step to configure sticky header. Installation. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate the Plugins menu, click Add New. Search WP Sticky Anything. Click the Install button. Now click the Active button. Configuration. The setup is flexible. You can configure it using the Customizer, Plugin Settings, or Elementor, depending on what works best for you. Customizer. Navigate Appearance to Customizer. Navigate Sticky Anything. Click Sticky Header. Enable Sticky Header. Set Z-index. Click the Publish button. Now, your site header is sticky. Settings. Navigate Dashboard to Sticky Anything Settings. Paste header class on the sticky class. Set Z-index. Click the Save button. Still doesn't work, you can enable Fix Sticky Toggle. Click the Save button. Awesome! Your site header is sticky. Elementor. For more details, please watch the dedicated video linked in the description.